Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice heavy-duty machine. These have been around for a very, very long time. They're known as one of the best in the industry. This is a CLAUSIng Metosa 17 by 45, meaning you have 17 inches by 45 inches overall here between centers. You have inch and metric on this dial, standard on the others, quick stop. It actually has a gap here. The gap you can take out and swing a larger piece in there if you have to, or something that has an oblong shape needs to be able to swing some of it in there. It'll give you a little bit more capacity. The ways and everything on this machine are really, really clean. The screws and threads have to be clean because you can see there's this cover here, which I pretty much never see. It's pretty rare to see somebody that actually has that on it. It's a really nice option, but it keeps all the chips out of there, so it keeps it really clean. This came out of a small shop. Everything was really well taken care of. Super easy to use. There's a little trigger switch right here. You push the button, you can pop it down, put it back to neutral. You have reverse. Pretty much two-finger operation. I will go ahead and put it into cycle there. We have our threading screw on right now, and we'll put it into threading mode. You can see our longitudinal feed moving. Put in reverse. Really easy to use. Everything's really centralized right here. Really smooth. This is one of the better of the used machines you're going to see on the market. Nice digital readout right there, a Newall DP8, X and Y axis. Everything's been checked out on this lathe. We've gone through it, made sure everything's working. And you can see there's a lot of tooling with the machinery. Not only the tooling here, but you can see in this picture here, lots of tools. So this gets you started, gets you running right away. We're going to go ahead and change this from our threading to our feed. I'm going to lift this up a little bit. That way you can actually see the chuck in action. We'll put this in action here. Make sure we're good. Now we have our feeds running. We can put it into our feed. Here's our cross feed. You can come take a look at that. You can see now our cross feed's moving. And our longitudinal feed. Simple one-handed operation. Runs really, really smooth. Geared head, sounds great. Comes with a lot of tooling, as you can see. Splash guard, light, pretty much all the options you could put onto these machines. We'll stop the machine right there. You can see the brake stops everything as well. If this is the right machine for you, give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can see we have a lot of different machinery in stock, all different sizes. We're looking to buy, sell, or trade with you. So if you want to trade up to something bigger, or if you have something in the fabrication space that you want to come into the chip space, we'd love to help you out. Anything industrial, give us a call. Visit our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.